I am the sage of all risotto. This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight, the show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them to make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine fried risotto and mushroom balls with parmesan and tomato relish. Well, who's Arron Chini and why are these crusty balls on my plate? For $13 I would have assumed that it came with mozzarella inside. I mean, come on. Technically it wasn't on the menu, so that's on me. But I call ball cheese on that. When I think Sicilian's cuisine, I think it should include all the ingredients. Bit disappointing to be honest. Bland in the balls. The risotto is too crunchy. The tomato relish is nothing much to relish. While you're here watching me play with me Arron's crusty bland ass balls, you may want to finger me button and caress me belt. Also subscribe, because it hurts. But I like it. 4 cups of chicken stock into a saucepan, bring to boil. Finally chop basil, garlic, green and white onion. Switch down your stock to stop the boil but keep it hot. Now oil up a different saucepan, add garlic, onion and basil over a medium heat. Stir, chop some mushrooms, add them along with some lemon juice and butter, a cup of arborio rice. Stir and break down while slowly adding the chicken stock. Repeat this over 15 to 20 minutes until you end up with a creamy texture. Add some lemon pepper, add some rice wine vinegar. Remove from the heat. While that's cooling, add some shaved parmesan. Now that I am sage, I demand the blood of the slaves.
Nope.
Add some oil to a pan. Add in your chopped tomatoes, chop some sage, put that inside there too. Now you're going to cook on a medium-high heat. Add some vinegar, some salt, oregano, lemon, herb and garlic, cayenne pepper, chili flakes, castor troy. Stir that in and add a teaspoon of pickle relish, just to stir it up. A little bit more. Smash some arborio rice and throw that in there too, just to thicken it up. Add some breadcrumbs to your risotto, some thyme, some chopped parsley, crack in an egg and give it a stir. Now wet your hands under the tap and make some golf-sized balls out of the risotto. Poke a hole in the middle, chuck in a blob of mozzarella, and then give them a bit of a lid. Roll it up and make a ball. Roll it in breadcrumb, beat an egg, dredge it in the egg wash, and roll it in the crumb. You like rolling crumbs, don't you? Deep fry at 180 degrees until golden. Look at them bubbling away. Scrape over some parmesan and enjoy. Think we're missing something. Oh yeah, who can forget the balsamic bread? Yes you can. Good boy. Came in at 480, and that's a stretch worth the effort. Stretchy cheese. Rock hard and crunchy. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.